Homemade Bounty Bars recipe. If you love the classic Bounty chocolate bars, this homemade version is a must-try. With a rich coconut filling wrapped in smooth dark chocolate, these bars are simple to make and taste even better than store-bought. Ingredients: 3 cups shredded coconut, sweetened, 2/3 cup sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, optional for extra sweetness, 12 ounces dark chocolate chips, or chunks. Instructions: prepare the coconut filling. In a large bowl, combine shredded coconut, sweetened condensed milk, and powdered sugar. If using mix well until the mixture becomes sticky and cohesive. Shape the bars. Using your hands, form the mixture into small rectangles about 2 to 3 inches long. Lightly wetting your hands will make shaping easier. Place the bars on a parchment-lined tray and refrigerate for at least 1 hour to firm up. Melt the chocolate. In a microwave-safe bowl or using a double boiler, melt the dark chocolate until smooth and glossy. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Coat the bars. Dip each chilled coconut bar into the melted chocolate, coating completely. Use 2 forks to help lift and shake off excess chocolate. Place the coated bars back on the parchment paper. Set and serve. Refrigerate the bars for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chocolate is fully set. Enjoy chilled or at room temperature. Tips and variations. Use milk chocolate if you prefer a sweeter taste. Add a splash of vanilla extract or almond extract to the coconut filling for extra flavor. For a vegan version, use dairy-free condensed milk and vegan chocolate.